Hello everyone, welcome to JobWise Academy, your go-to place for the latest job updates and career tips. Exciting opportunity, software engineer at Microsoft. Work with the Azure cloud storage team on innovative distributed systems used worldwide. Your role? Build and optimize a top-tier distributed file system and hyperscale storage infrastructure. Get hands-on with technologies like C, C++, CC, Java, Python, and JavaScript. You'll define architecture and direction for impactful projects that reach millions. Join a collaborative team culture focused on solving big challenges and driving innovation. Eligibility? A bachelor's or master's in CS or a related field with solid coding experience. And remember, passing the Microsoft Cloud background check is a must after hiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JobWise Academy for more amazing job updates. See you next time.